Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, September 6th. Well, we can see here in the NASDAQ market, I was looking for follow through to the upside. That is not what happened. The critical part here that was missing is the strength that we're looking for in Asia. It kind of held its own a bit toward the latter part of the U.S. session, but Asia sets a tone. So let's see if this bind that's setting up can carry over to Europe. I look for an unchanged type day to only slightly lower in that market. Let's move on to those currencies. And the euro, it's firming up a bit. I do look for follow through to the upside. Asia is a little bit stronger in that market, and I think we have the potential for moving higher. We had some fundamental news that wasn't favorable for Bitcoin, and we can see this continues lower. It did trade below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $2,400 a contract, and right here we can get a bounce. I'm looking for an inside type day for that market, but we may have more room to the downside in that market. 10-year notes, I like the action that we're seeing here based upon what we saw in the stock market, but I do look for new lows today in that market. And when it comes to gold, it's slowed down here a bit, but is that profit taking, or is Asia showing us now that buyers are present? Well, that's what I'm looking for, and I'm looking for a move to the upside in that market, but not a dramatic move, but a bias for a move to the upside. And in crude oil, it's backed off a bit. I don't think there's any reason for it to have a dramatic move to the upside. It's in a favorable price range if you look at OPEC's comments, but I don't look for a dramatic move down, but rather a market that breaks a little bit lower on Thursday's action. If we take a look now at the grains, soybeans, I'm looking for a sideways move. If buyers were here, we should have seen them. The bias is for a move to the upside. I don't think the fundamentals are here to support it. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.